Now that we know why answering questions online is a fantastic opportunity, let's dive into the platforms that are making it happen. From educational platforms to freelancing sites, there are plenty of places where you can get paid for your knowledge. Whether you're a subject matter expert or just passionate about a specific area, these platforms offer something for everyone. Here are 10 of the best platforms to help you turn your expertise into a steady stream of income. 1. Quora Partner Program. Monetize your expertise. The Quora Partner Program is one of the easiest ways to make money by sharing your knowledge. The platform allows users to earn based on the views their questions and answers attract. It's all about creating content that engages and attracts attention. How to get started? Sign up for the Quora Partner Program, and you'll start seeing questions that are available for you to answer. You'll be paid based on how well your answers perform. The more engaging your answers, the more views you get, and that leads to more income. Maximizing earnings. To get the most out of Quora, focus on topics that are trending, like tech, business, or even pop culture. Answers that are well-researched, detailed, and timely are more likely to attract attention. Sharing your answers on social media is another easy way to increase visibility. Earnings potential. Earnings depend on the number of views your content gets. On average, users can earn anywhere from 5 cents to $1 per view, with some highly engaging answers generating up to $500 or more per month. Passive earnings are also possible as your answers continue to attract views long after posting. 2. Study.com Tutor Program. Help students and get paid. Study.com connects subject experts with students seeking academic help. Whether you're a math whiz or a science enthusiast, Study.com offers a way for you to share your expertise while getting paid. How to qualify? To become a tutor, you'll need to sign up and pass a qualification test. You'll be tested on your knowledge in the subject you want to teach. Study.com covers a wide range of topics from STEM subjects to business and even English. Maximizing earnings. Once you're approved, you can start answering academic questions. The more questions you answer, the more you can earn. Specializing in high-demand subjects like advanced math or physics can significantly increase your earnings. Earnings potential. Tutors are typically paid $5 to $20 per question answered, depending on the complexity of the question and the subject area. Full-time tutors can earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month by answering a high volume of questions. 3. Chegg Q&A Expert. Share your knowledge and earn. Chegg is widely known for helping students with homework, and now, experts can get paid for providing answers. Whether you're skilled in programming, economics, or biology, Chegg offers a platform where you can assist students while earning money. How to get started? Create an account on Chegg and select your areas of expertise. After passing their qualification process, you'll be able to start answering student questions. Maximizing earnings. The key to earning more on Chegg is answering as many questions as possible. Subjects like computer science, business, and engineering tend to have higher demand, so focusing on those areas can help boost your earnings. Earnings insights. Chegg typically pays 50 cents to $2 per question, with the potential for higher earnings if you specialize in difficult subjects. Active users can earn between $1,500 to $4,000 per month, depending on the volume of questions answered. 4. Just Answer. Provide expert advice across various fields. Just Answer is a platform that connects people with experts in various fields like tech, law, medicine, and more. Whether you're an attorney or a tech enthusiast, you can share your expertise and get paid for it. How to join? To become an expert on Just Answer, sign up and select your area of expertise. You'll need to go through an approval process to ensure you're qualified in your field. Earnings insights. Experts get paid per question answered. The more in-depth your answers, the more likely you are to get repeat customers. Maximizing earnings. Just Answer typically pays between $10 to $50 per question, with specialized fields like law and medicine paying even more, up to $100 per answer. Top experts can earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on the volume and expertise. 5. Brainly. Earn money by helping students with homework. Brainly is an online learning platform where students ask homework-related questions and experts provide answers. Whether you're proficient in math, science, or languages, Brainly is a great place to help students while earning money. How to get started? To join, simply create an account, fill out your profile, and start answering questions. Once you're set up, you can answer questions that match your expertise. Maximizing earnings. To maximize earnings, focus on providing detailed and clear answers to students' questions. The more helpful and informative your answers, the more likely students will appreciate them and give you positive ratings. Consistency is key, as answering regularly increases your visibility and trust. Earnings potential. On Brainly, you typically earn points for your answers, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Active users can earn $200 to $500 per month, depending on how often they contribute. 6. Preply. Earn by teaching and tutoring online. Preply is a platform that connects tutors with students who want personalized lessons in subjects ranging from languages to academic disciplines. It's a great option if you enjoy teaching and want to monetize your skills. How to get started. After creating your profile and selecting the subjects you want to teach, you can set your hourly rate. Preply allows tutors to set their own rates, giving you control over your income. Maximizing earnings. Specializing in high-demand subjects like Spanish, Business English, or SAT Prep can help attract more students. Additionally, offering flexible hours and providing a few free trial lessons can boost your visibility. Earnings insights. Tutors on Preply can earn between $10 to $50 per hour, depending on their subject expertise and rates. Top tutors can earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month, particularly if they specialize in languages or test prep. 7. Maven. Offer expert advice and earn. Maven is a platform that allows you to offer your expertise in a specific field by answering questions and providing advice. It connects experts with individuals or groups who need guidance, and you're paid for your insights. How to get started. Sign up on Maven, create a profile that highlights your expertise, and start offering your services. You can participate in live consultations or answer specific questions in your area of knowledge. Maximizing earnings. Focus on answering high-demand questions that match your expertise. Offer well-researched, thoughtful advice to build a reputation and get more requests from users. Earnings potential. On Maven, experts can charge hourly rates or set a fixed price for consultations. The average earnings vary, but experts can earn anywhere from $50 to $200 per consultation, with a potential to earn $2,000 plus per month depending on the number of consultations and expertise. 8. VoiceForm. Get paid for providing insights via voice. VoiceForm is a unique platform where you can get paid for answering questions via voice. This is perfect for those who want to share insights without the hassle of typing. How to get started. Sign up and start answering questions or surveys through voice recordings. VoiceForm is used by businesses to gather insights, making your input valuable. Maximizing earnings. Participate in as many surveys or questions as possible to maximize your earnings. Earnings insights. VoiceForm typically pays 50 cents to $5 per response, depending on the length and complexity of the voice answers. Active participants can earn up to $500 per month. 9. User testing. Get paid to share your feedback. User testing is a platform that pays you to provide feedback on websites, apps, and products. You'll answer questions based on your experience as you test these services. How to get started. Sign up for user testing and complete a sample test. Once approved, you can start receiving testing assignments. Maximizing earnings. Complete as many tests as possible. High-quality feedback can lead to more opportunities for paid tests. Earnings potential. You can earn $10 to $60 per test, depending on the length and complexity. Power testers who complete multiple tests daily can earn $1,000 to $2,000 per month. 10. Just Answer. Provide expert advice in various fields. Just Answer connects you with individuals seeking expert advice in legal, tech, medical, and financial fields. It's a great platform for professionals looking to earn by answering specific questions. How to get started. Sign up, go through the verification process, and start answering questions within your expertise. Maximizing earnings. Specialize in high-paying categories like law or health to earn more per question. Earnings insights. You are paid per question, with higher rates for specialized expertise. Experts can earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month depending on their activity.